Hello friends, today we will deal with a system of equation and I am going to solve for x, y and z. So here we have three equations. We'll name it equation number 1, equation number 2 and equation number 3. So first of all, I will subtract equation number 2 and equation number 1. So subtract equation number 2 and equation number 1. So it will be x plus z plus xyz minus x minus y and minus xyz, and 16 minus 13 will be 3. This xyz and xyz will be cancelled out and x will be cancelled out. So from here we have z minus y is equal to 3. So I will take the value of z in terms of y. So it will be z is equal to 3 plus y. Okay, now I will subtract equation number 3 and equation number 1. And equation number 3 is y plus z plus xyz minus 3 and 2. And the second equation is x plus z plus xyz, x minus z minus xyz, and 17 minus 16 will be equal to 1. So from here these values will be cancelled out and we have here y minus x is equal to 1. Now I will take the value of x in terms of y also. So x will be equal to y minus 1. Now I will substitute these values of z and x in equation number 1, which is x plus y plus xyz is equal to 13. Okay, now just substitute here values of x and z. So x is y minus 1 plus y plus x is y minus 1 times y times z is 3 plus y, and it is equal to 13. So from here it will be 2y minus 1, and when we will multiply all these three terms, it will become 3y square plus y cube minus 3y minus y square, and it is equal to 13. Okay, now just rearrange this equation. Y cube, this 3y square and this negative y square will become 2y square plus 2y minus 3y will be negative y, and this negative 1 and this negative 13 will be negative 14, and it will be equal to 0. Now here I have a cubic equation. So first of all I will solve it by using rational root here. So here this negative 14 is a divisor of plus minus 1, plus minus 2 also, plus minus 7 and plus minus 14. So when I will substitute here y is equal to 2, then it will satisfy our equation, as 2 cube is 8 and it will be 2 square is 4, 4 2 times 8, 8 plus 8 is 16, and this negative 2 and negative 14 will be negative 16, then it will cancel out and it will be equal to 0. That's mean y is equal to 2 is one of the root of this equation, and y minus 2 is a factor of this polynomial. So if y minus 2 is a factor of polynomial, then I will take another polynomial which will be a quadratic equation when I will divide this factor, when I will divide this polynomial with this factor. So y cube plus 2y square minus y minus 4. I will use here long division method. You can also use here a synthetic division, or you can also use here grouping or factorization. So I have to make this y cube, so I will multiply with y square, so it will be y cube minus 2y square. Okay, just change its signs, it will be cancelled out and it will become 4y square minus y minus 14. Now I have to make 4y square, so I will take here 4 times y. So it will be 4y square minus 8y, and this will be cancelled out and it will be 7y minus 14 Okay, now I have to make 7y, so I will multiply with 7, so it will be 7y minus 40. Change out its sign, so it will give us remainder 0. So another polynomial is y square plus 4y plus 7. So here we have y minus 2 is one of the factor, and the other polynomial is y square plus 4y plus 7 is equal to 0. So from here y will be equal to 2. Now we'll solve this equation y square plus 4y plus 7 with quadratic equation. So when I will apply here quadratic formula, it will be negative 4 plus minus square root of b square 16 minus 4ac, so 4 7 times 28 divided by 2. Then y will be equal to negative 4 plus minus square root of negative 12 divided by 2. When I will simplify it, it will become y is equal to negative 2 plus minus 3 iota. So here we have three values of y, which are 2, negative 2 plus minus 3 iota. Here we have another method to solve this quadratic equation. Y square plus 4y plus 7 is equal to 0. I will solve this equation by completing square method. So first of all, I will take constant term to the right hand side, so it will be negative 7. To make it a perfect square, I will add here 4. So it will become negative 3. Now you can see that it is the form of y plus 2 whole square, and it is equal to negative 3, taking square root on both sides. So this square and square root will be cancelled out, and it will be y is equal to, it will be 3 iota plus minus, and it will be negative 2. Now you can see that in both ways we have same value of y. Now these are the values of y, and we have to find the values of x and z. So here z is equal to 3 plus y and x is equal to y minus 1. Z is equal to 3 plus y and x is equal to y minus 1. Okay, first of all, I will solve for real root, which is y is equal to 2. So z will be equal to 3 plus 2 is 5. And when I will substitute negative 2 plus minus 3 iota, it will be z is equal to 3 plus negative 2 plus minus 3 iota. Okay, so from here z will be equal to 3 minus 2 will be 1 plus minus 3 iota. These are the three values of z. Now we will find the values of x by substituting the values of y here. So first of all, I will put here real root, which is 2. So 2 minus 1 will be 1. So x is equal to 1. And x will be equal to negative 2 plus minus 3 iota, and this negative 1. So it will be x is equal to negative 3 plus minus 3 iota. So these are the values of x. Okay, when y is equal to 2, z is equal to 5 and x is equal to 1. When y is equal to negative 2 plus minus 3 iota, then z is equal to 1 plus minus 3 iota and x is equal to negative 3 plus minus 3 iota. So these are the values of x, y and z for this problem. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, do comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon. Bye-bye.